Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are diving into the Smart Resume AI powered resume screening real-time AI project. This is one of the project which I mentioned in my previous videos. If you are going to the at the top 5 these projects, then you are going to definitely get an interview call. So this is one of them. Okay. In this project you will learn how your resume analyze, scan, or rank based on the given job description. And you will also learn today in this video, this is a bonus point for you. I am going to share with you the deployment of this project as well using Streamlit into the embedded into the Python. So you will learn a lot of things from the initial level, and I will explain it step by step. I will give you the strong foundation today, and you can enhance this project according to your requirement. Okay, but you will get the strong foundation today, and after watching this video, you will have many benefits. And if you are going to add this project in your job portfolio, this is going to be the very plus point for you. Okay, so stay with me, keep patience, and just learn about it. So benefits to add this project in your job portfolio, you can showcase your practical skills because you are going to learn in this advanced level of Python. Number two, natural language preprocessing, how the PDF file is going to analyze, and then it will take out the text right out of it, and then it will set the score of the resume based on the given job description. After this, we are going to deploy it using this Streamlit. So you are going to learn so many skills in just a small video by watching this video. Okay. So enhance coding and problem solving, that is for sure. And master NLP techniques because we are going to use the advanced library of natural language processing. Solve real world problem because this is not a generic project. Build a domain knowledge. It will increase your domain knowledge in the HR tech and AI powered tool. How you can build the your resume screening using AI powered tool. It will definitely going to boost your portfolio. Okay, and build the confidence. So after doing watching this video, you will have the strong foundation. Okay, in this you will have the strong foundation, but I will tell you the basic the from basic to advanced level things. But you need, if you want, you can enhance it by picking up this the foundational file. Okay, and then you can add more attributes and the functionality according to your requirement. Okay, but my recommendation is learn this properly and add this project into your portfolio. Definitely, it is definitely 101% going to be the best part of your resume. Okay, so let's start. First of all, I will introduce you. If you, I'm assuming you already know the Python, okay? But if still you are at a learning stage, like you are learning Python, it's okay. Okay, because I'm going to explain everything step by step. But this is the new thing for everyone who don't know what is a Streamlit. Okay, either you are a beginner or maybe you are at intermediate level or expert level. Sometimes you don't know what is Streamlit. We use this the application for the deployment. Okay, if you're a beginner, this is the best one for you as well. Okay, so Streamlit is an open source framework. This is we use for building and deploying interactive data applications. Okay, in Python. Sorry, I have also used it when I did the project for forecasting of the COVID-19 cases. I used to build the the millennials KPI reports at that time, and I also built the weather forecasting project as well. At that time, I have used the Streamlit. Okay, so there are two ways. Either you can embed the Streamlit code into the Python. This is the best way at a beginner level. But if you want, you can directly connect your GitHub with the Streamlit as well. I will show you. Okay, and I will show you how it look like, how you can see the other methods as well. But I'm not going to share with you today the second deployment method. I'm going to share with you the how you can embed the Streamlit code into the Python and deploy your today's project. Okay, and key feature is it is very fast to develop. It's a minimal code, very less code. Okay, you are going to love it. Interactive widgets, it's a automatic updates, because if any updates like you are doing in your py file, it will automatically update on the Streamlit. Okay, when you are connecting your py file, so you don't need to upload your py file again and again, or script file again and again on your Streamlit app. This is the biggest advantage. Visualization seamlessly integrates with the popular Python libraries like Matplot, Plotly, and Pandas for visualization. So this is all libraries we used in Python for visualization. Okay. And then how we use this Streamlit for deployment, this is I will explain you again when we will implement over resume screening project step by step. This is just for your knowledge. Okay, so how you can install it, you need to go to the command prompt, and you will pip install Streamlit for this one, and you also need to install it in your Jupyter notebook as well if it is not installed by default. And mostly this is not installed by default, you have to install it. Okay, building the app. Streamlit allows you to create apps by writing Python scripts. Okay, and running the app. To run the app, navigate to the folder where the script is located, and then you can run this command into your command prompt. Okay, and then it will show you the output. I will show you step by step, don't worry. Okay, so now let's start. Okay, so there is a like I'm very excited, like I want to share this news with all of you. If you are watching my this video and you are a beginner and you just start learning the like the Python, then this I'm like doing the live session, a short course on the Python of a 1.5 hour, in which I will cover up these topics: Python basics, hands-on exercises, and a one mini project for your homework. And if you have any question, you want to clear your doubts in the your about the Python, then just go to my channel, or if you're a new, subscribe my channel, and then you can fill up this form. And I will see you on March 20th at 9 p.m. MST. Okay, and this is like this is the very golden opportunity for you if you want to clear your doubts in the Python and you want to learn the Python, or you are at a beginner level. Okay, now let's start. I will open the now over file. I will close this one. Okay. So first of all, I will show you Streamlit. So this is streamlit.io. This is the like application. Okay. They have a both plans. They have a free or pro. Okay. Both have their or benefits, but you can at initial level, you can use the free one. Okay. In this, you need to check out, and this is the try the live playground. You can see here, if this is the like they have written some small code using Python, and this is the output. Okay, and this is very easy to write. Okay, I have used many times. This is very easy to deploy. Okay, you can see here, if you enter here the any like the result, it will show you. Okay, so this is the way how you can learn this. Okay, and I will share this link in the my description box. Okay, but today I am going to teach you using the Python code, how you can embed the Streamlit code into the Python, and how it will look like on the Streamlit when you see the GUI, when you deploy your model. Okay, so let's start. Here we go. So first of all, we will load the most important libraries which is required for this project. The number one is your Streamlit. This is for our deployment. Number two, Pandas. This is for our data manipulation. PDF, your plumber. This is because your resume is in the form of like PDF you are going to upload. Okay, I'm assuming today the format of your resume is PDF. So we can extract the text from the PDF file. This library is used for that thing. Okay, and then we have a import spacey. So this library is very important. It has like the inbuilt this load as well, because this is called pre-trained NLP model. This has many advantages. I will show you. I have written it for your knowledge as well, if later on if you want to look at this notebook. So this is a help you that this preload model, what it will do, it will help us to tokenization, splitting the text into word, because in your resume your job description is into the paragraph, right, into the lines, your experience, other things, right. It's also help to understand nouns, verbs, name the entity recognition, and it will also do the lemmatization. This will convert the words to their base. Like if you are using the running, you are using anywhere verb, so it will convert it into normal run. And it will also remove the stop words. What are the this? It will ignore the, is, and these are the stop words. So it will ignore while scanning or analyzing your resume. And why we should use it? We will use it to clean over text, improving the accuracy of the model, handling the variations. Okay, variations means if you are using develop word and developing, it will treat them the word same in your resume. So it should not affect your like the rank of resume. Okay, if HR Tech is using this like the at the back end to shortlist your resume, so these kind of the things already like embedded in their model. Okay, and then reducing the computational load. Instead of training from scratch, we use a model that already understand the English text. Okay, so you don't need to build the first the basic level of the from scratch. So this is the biggest advantage. Okay, so now we will here we will come back. Here the next library is your feature extraction. This is for TFID vectorization. This is to extract your like the features or the text from your uh, file. This is token. Okay, and matrices pairwise cosine similarity. This is used to convert your data into machine learning code. Whatever it is, like collect the data from your resume, then it will help us to convert it into machine learning, and it will like build the model and scan it and then give the result. Okay, so we will run this. Okay, so when you will run this, okay, so you need to install this. Okay, so how we will do it? Here we go. Okay, so it is like I'm showing this so you can understand like this kind of error you are going to get. So I don't need to install this one. This is by default. I will install all three. Okay, because I'm using the Google Colab when I prepared this notebook. Okay, so at that time I installed it, but after some time it all automatically disconnected. Okay, and this is good. You will also see this error, and if you are facing the same problem, then you can solve it like this way. Okay, so we will run this. Here we go. So you can see it was already like the required successfully installed. Okay, and then we can rerun this. It will take few seconds. Okay, very good. Okay, so let it run. It will be done very soon. Okay, don't worry. Now the next is your NLP is equals to spacey dot load in this. I have already explained it in a well way. So I will not explain it again, but we will run this. Okay, so what we are doing here, first we import the libraries, then we are load the pre-trained NLP model. Okay, now we will extract the text from PDF. As I told you, when the user will upload the file resume on your like the GUI interface, enter the job description. HR is entering the job description. They will upload the resume. This you will see how it will extract the text. Okay, for this we are creating a one function. This is a custom function, extract the text from PDF. So this is your resume file. Okay, I have splitted the piece of the code for my whole file so you can have a better understanding. So I can like explain you step by step what each step is doing. Okay, so this is a custom function we are using. This is the text variable we have declared blank. Then we are using the with statement with PDF plumber dot open. This will open your resume as we will create the instance. Then for page in PDF dot pages. Maybe your resume has a more than one page. Okay, so that's why we are running the for loop. It will like read the all page one by one from your this PDF file. Text plus is equals to, so you are using this variable here to append the extracted text into this variable, so we can use it further for the ranking. Okay, so just what we are doing right now, you are learning data analysis here. You are pre-processing the data here. Okay, this is a part of your pre-processing as well. Okay, so you are extracting the data from this, and then you are returning the whatever you have got. Okay, so here we go, and then we will pre-process the text now, cleaning and tokenization. Okay, now whatever you have prepared here, we will like pass here. Okay, so now here it will, we are using the NLP, your library, NLP text dot lower. Okay, so then tokens, token dot lemma. So what it will does, I have showed you at the bottom. So what it does, it will handle your stop words. Okay, I will show you here again. Here one. Okay, sorry, it will like convert your normal words to the this one. If you are using the developing, developed, it will convert it into, either it will treat it into same or convert, make it short, like running, right? It will convert it into run. Sleeping, it will convert it to sleep, something like that. So this is, we call it lemmatization. And then what it is doing, we will come here again. For token in doc, what is the return? If not token is a stop, these are the stop words, is and then that one. And then is underscore alpha, it will check if there is any alphanumeric character, like if you have written somewhere Java 123, you are mentioning the version of any programming language you have learned. So it is looking for that. Okay, so we are using here, this is a list comprehension. If you are a beginner in Python, so this is called list comprehension. We are adding the expression, for loop, conditional statement into one line. Okay, and if you are a beginner, you don't understand it, you can comment in the comment box, or you can go back and watch my Python playlist. I have explained it in a very well way what is a list comprehension. Okay, then return dot join, we are joining the all tokens which we have extracted, and then we will run it. Okay, it will not show you right here any output because we are not calling the function. I'm just trying to make you understand the pieces of the code. Then I will join this and you will see the output. Okay, here we are setting the, here we are creating the Streamlit user interface. Okay, so here this is the st, this is the instance of Streamlit which we have created here, and then we are using this dot title AI powered resume screener. I will set this title, and then sidebar dot header upload resume and job description. You will see all these things when I will deploy this. Okay, so we will run this. Here you go, and then we are preparing the job description and input text area like an input box, simple dynamic. Okay, where the your HR will paste the job description, and it will upload your resume. So this is st.sidebar.text area. This is like a come on your stream lit screen on the left side. Okay, I will show you, then we will like I will do the like screen here and there, and then we'll make you understand. Okay, and then here upload files, and this also can accept the multiple files, so multiple resume. Okay, and now this is the main function. Okay, so this here what you are doing, so you are done with the exploring of the data, you have done the cleaning, you have done the extraction, right? It's a time to now process the data after transforming the data, because till so far what you were doing, you were just simply creating the GUI, whatever you want to set in the Streamlit front screen, and you were preparing, analyzing the your resume, so you can extract the keywords what you want, separate them, put it into the one variable using your NLP advanced methods, that is lemmatization, is a stop, is alpha. And now we will process and rank the resumes on the button click. Okay, so this is an, it will start when I click on the button analyze resume, it will start it processing. At that time this piece of code will start running at the back end of your Python script, then your function will be called. Okay, so here if not job description, then it will say please enter a job description. Okay, if it is miss, other condition is if a file is not uploaded, then it will ask you to upload at least one resume. Else, if both conditions are false, then it will start its work. So it will pre-process your text. So where is the pre-process your text function? We will go back. This is the one. Now it will call this function. Okay, and then it will, we are passing the job description in this, so it will like apply all NLP methods. Okay, and then extract and pre-process. Here we have created the two empty list. First one is In the first list, it will enter the text, which it will extract using the buf function I mentioned you. Okay. And then it is like entering the name of the resume, because there can be a multiple resume, right? We need to prepare the list for that. Now what it will do, it will run the loop on the uploaded file. First, it will call this function. This is the first function I showed you, how it is extracting the data from your PDF file. And then it will call the second function, and then it will start adding the text, the processed text, into the resume text list. And whatever the file name, let's say John resume, Nija resume, Alice resume, so it will collect the name here, so it can show you the list of all resume and their rank. Okay. And then it will do the vectorization and similarity calculation. This is the TFID vectorizer. Okay. So what it does, I will show you. So it will be like this one. Okay. So you can come here. Look at this. It will convert a collection of raw documents to a matrix of TF-IDF. Okay. So in this, what it will do, it will create the tokens. Okay. So here we will see, it will take the input. We are doing the input file, right? This is, then it will encode, decode error. These are the things. It will do everything for you. Okay. And then if you want to like learn more about it, so you can also learn this one. The implementation produces sparse representation of counts using this one. Okay. So it will create the matrix, count the words. This is we want, right? Because when you create a list, it is a list of words, right? But when you are going to convert your data into the machine, you need to read it one by one, right? It will convert it into vector form so your machine can like understand. Okay. So here we go. Then it will all text job description plus text. We are concatenating it and collecting it. TFID matrices vectorized dot fit transformer. So what does it mean? Whatever you have like got from your after screening and after doing all the processing steps which we have seen the previous functions, it will create the matrix using the vectorizer method of TF-IDF. Okay. And then it will like calculate the score based on that. Okay. So this is, you are using cosine similarity because this is something which will help you to like apply the method to do some calculations based on the like your the text and the tokens created by your this one, right? So and then it will create the matrix. Okay. And then it will give you the scores on that, because this is something which will help you at the back end for the machine. Whatever text or tokens like created by your all NLP methods, it will convert into machine learning code and then give you the answer in the form of scores. Okay. If you want to like learn it at a deeper level, then this is the one you can come here. Okay. So look at this. It will compute the cosine similarity between sample in X and Y. Okay. And do some calculation and return you the output in this form, as I told you, because machine only understand the numeric value. Okay. So that's why we are using it here. And then it will display the result. We will convert it into data frame, and then we will write it and show the data frame. You will see this output when I will show you how we are deploying it. Okay. So this was all about like the implementation of your the real-time project resume screener using Python and Streamlit. Okay. It's a time to deploy now. So you can see the output. So first of all, you need to install the dependency I has told you in the slides. Okay. You just copy and paste both these one. Let me open my command prompt. Okay. So I will open my command prompt here. Okay. So Python is by default installed in every system. If it is not, you can install it on your system. Okay. And then we will run this. Okay. So I'm going to, you don't need to run, these are here. Okay. This is for your command prompt. Okay. This is not for like your Jupyter notebook. Okay. I think I have opened the two, so we will close one. Okay. I wanted to show how it look like. Okay. Paste anyway. So you can see it is installing. Although it was already installed on my system, so it is not asking. You can see it is asking for the next one. We will run it. Okay, so it will look, your screen will look like this. Okay, now after this, what you need to do, it's a time to, now you can save this file from here, download as a this one. Okay, and you can note down your name. Okay, so my file is already there, so I will just copy this command and we will paste it here. So here you need to one thing in your mind, I am inside my folder and my script file is also in the same folder. So your file always be in either in the same folder, or if you're pasting it into another folder, then you need to set the path here using cd. Okay, directory. You can change the directory. So we will first, and don't save it in the ipynb. It's a script, so its extension should be .py. So my file name is resume underscore screener. Okay, so I will run it. So I press the enter. You can see it will open on my local system. Okay, here you go. Okay, so this is, you have set the GUI. Remember on the left side you set the text. I will show you again. This is the one. Okay, so this is showing on the left side. Look at this, the screen again. Okay, so this is the way how you can use it. Now the most important thing is, we will now enter the here first job description, and then we will upload the resume. I will show you how it will work. Okay. Okay, so I will first copy and paste my job description. So it is already with me. So you can also try from LinkedIn or from anywhere, and you can just upload your resume. It will show you how it is matching, right? So it's a very good project for you. So before sending the resume to any recruiter, you can scan it like this way, how much score it will do. Okay. So we will go back to over this one. I will paste here over job description, and then now we will upload the resume. This here we go, like this, and we will click on this button. Okay, so now look this. Oh my God. So this means if your score is, maybe it is a setup by your company, right? Oh, I mean the company in which you are applying the job. It is showing 73% score matching with their job description. So this means your resume is going to be selected. Okay. Now I will try one more resume, and then we will see if it works. Okay. So we will upload from here. There should be one of the resume. Let me see. Here we can search. Ah, I got it. So we will upload this one, okay? And now we will see what it will see, what it will show. Look at this. If I have uploaded this document, this is just a simple PDF file. This is not a resume, but you can see it is only matching 0.1%. And the resume which is matching with the your score, this is 71%. Okay, so this is a golden opportunity for you. So this is how you can deploy. You have seen it's very easy, Streamlit, right? And you can also first do this project, and if you want to do directly on the Streamlit, you can also do. Okay, but if you are taking the pro version, then only it will update or connect to your GitHub file. Like when you are making any changes, then it will make changes over there. Okay, so they have a pro version as well, free version as well. Okay, so they have their own benefits, you can see, but this is not too expensive. But my recommendation is go with the free one first, and then try it. Enhance this project more according to your requirement, add into your portfolio, and then make your portfolio so strong, boost it, okay, with me. So now this was the all about for our today's lesson. If you have any question, and if you want to learn more about the Streamlit, or if you learn want to learn more projects that like these, then stay with me. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you're new to my channel, you can subscribe my channel. And don't forget to join me on a live session on 20th of March. Okay, so if you want to learn a Python, see you in the next video as well, and see you in the live session as well. Thank you so much for keeping patience and stay, and you watch my video. Okay, happy AI learning.